Gujarat has 32 combined wastewater treatment plants, the CETPs, and several hundreds of effluents treatment plants, the ETPs, in individual industries to treat industrial wastewater before it is discharged in nature. The operators of these plants play an important role in ensuring proper operations and treat the wastewater to the required norms as defined by the GPCB. Unfortunately, majority of the operators of these ETPs and CETPs are unskilled and have no adequate knowledge regarding operation and maintenance of the plants. Under the Sustainable and Environment-Friendly Industrial Production Project of the Indo-German Development Corporation, GIZ has introduced a system for conducting training courses for the helpers and technicians of the industrial wastewater treatment plants through national and international training institutions. The CEE is actively involved in organizing training and capacity building programs in the field of sustainable industrial development, and therefore, based on its merit, CEE was selected to give the required training courses at various CETP locations in the state.
When we started work on looking at the environment, one very important priority was industry and pollution. When we heard that the GIZ and the MOEF were now wanting to take this to the next level of really going in depth and fulfilling some of the criteria through skill building and working with industry and associations, this is where we felt that this was a very natural fit. And it would be wonderful to do that.
The Environment Management Group of CEE conducted 3 training programs at GIDC Vatwa in Ahmedabad, GIDC Nandesari in Vadodara, and finally at GIDC Pandesara in Surat. A 3-day training program was developed as per the requirements of SCGJ, incorporating all the essential components of wastewater treatment. The overall aim of these trainings was to raise the knowledge and enhance the skills of helpers and operators of ETPs and CETPs, using the expertise and experience of the resource persons. Experts for different topics were invited from across the state that used local language for teaching, so that the trainees can grasp the knowledge easily. On the 3rd day of the training, participants were given on-site first-hand experience about various aspects of the plant operations and relevant procedures.
પહેલા મારે કંપનીમાં 35 થી 40% ઇમ્પ્રુવમેન્ટ હતું અને ટ્રેનિંગ લીધા પછી 50 થી 60% ઇમ્પ્રુવમેન્ટ થયું છે.
ઓપરેટરને અમારે સિસ્ટમેટિક કેવી રીતે લેવા જોઈએ અને ઓપરેટર કેવી રીતે કામ કરે છે અને ઓપરેટર ઉપર ધ્યાન બી કેવી રીતે રાખવું એ બી એમને ધ્યાન મળી છે.
In my plant, I have implemented many things from this training. So this kind of training is very much helpful for the employees, especially for CETPs.
In past, no one agency has organized such programs for the training of the ETP operators. We are glad to inform you that CEE, in collaboration with GIZ, is only one agency who has organized such programs.
We can conduct a lot of program like this, and it will help the industry and overall environmental. If government wish, we are ready to have a center for excellence in Vatwa or in the green, and we can train our people and like anything.
We are into discussion with the other industrial associations who have shown interest to impart such training to CETP operators. The training was designed based on the manual provided by the Skill Council of Green Job, and the experts were retained as per the topics given in the manual.
In total, 180 participants attended the training program, and after evaluation, they were awarded a certificate of successful completion. The trainees were found to have made positive impact on their individual plants with an increased performance. As a way forward, CEE will continue to conduct more such training programs and has entered into MOU with the GPCB and other industry associations for the purpose.
The whole idea was that now that you have good laws in place, you have technology in place, unless you bring in the human resource which is trained and skilled, you can't go this far. And I think that's the critical part of this particular project.